Good morning. Hi, my dear students. Good morning. Today we are going to start fourth unit syllabus. Fourth unit syllabus. So then these are the contents in our fourth unit syllabus according to our JNTU curriculum. Okay, we know various types of already previously we discussed various types of inheritances, then virtual functions, then previously discussed this pointer, constructors, then various types of constructors in previous chapters like units. So here in the fourth unit syllabus, so this is 50% based on C language pointers. Then the remaining 50%, so we need to discuss OOPS concepts. So that is polymorphism, virtual functions. Okay, already we discussed in the previous classes what is polymorphism, what is virtual function, what is virtual base class. Okay, then those concepts also discussed in the fourth unit syllabus. Clear, all of you? Then this is the syllabus in our, these are the contents in our topic. So today we need to discuss pointers and binding polymorphism and virtual functions. Clear, all of you? Here pointers and binding polymorphism and virtual functions. These three are the major chapters in fourth unit syllabus. The first concept is pointers. Second chapter is polymorphisms, and the fourth one is virtual functions. So all of you, please listen. The first, so they will ask questions in fourth unit, only 3 questions. The first question is, define a pointer, or what is a pointer, and how to declare it, and what are the features of pointers? Clear? What are the features of pointers? Next question, how to define a pointer to classes, and how to define a pointer to an object? Clear? Then the next question is, what is polymorphism? What are the types of polymorphisms? And how to execute types of polymorphisms in C++? Second question. And third question is, what is virtual function? How to define virtual functions? Then what is the working process of virtual functions? 3 questions, 3 chapters, 3 questions. Listen carefully. Most important one, then easily we will write these 3 questions. Okay. Then pointers. Simply, what is a pointer? Here in the pointer concepts, then these are the concepts in the pointers. Here pointer, features of pointers, pointer declaration, pointer to class, pointer to object, and this pointer, and pointer to derived classes and base classes. Then these are all contents under pointer. Clear, all of you? These are all the contents under pointers. Then very simple and easy. So to learn, all of you, here simply what is a pointer and how to declare it. Write the features of pointers. Write the features of pointers. So then a pointer, we know a pointer is a memory variable that stores the address of another variable. A pointer is a variable that is memory variable that stores the address of the another variable. Pointer can have any name that is legal for other variables, and it is declared in the same way as other variables, but it is always denoted by asterisk operator. Clear, all of you? This is the asterisk operator. Okay. Then your pointer declaration. Simply, what is a pointer? A pointer is a memory variable that holds the address of the another variable. A pointer is a memory variable that holds the address of the another variable. a small example. We know train. We know train. All of you observe. Then there is a compartment. So one compartment, that is also a compartment, passenger compartment or goods compartment, that is connected to the another compartment. Clear? That is connected to the another compartment. That is pointer, like in our C++ language. A compartment, then there is a train. So there are more compartments. Compartment is a compartment that is connected to the another compartment. Clear? That is connected to the another compartment. Here also the same. Pointer is a memory variable that holds the address of the another variable. That holds the address of the another variable. Clear? So then how to define a pointer? Then what is the general syntax of the pointer? What is the general syntax of the pointer? Here simply a pointer variable can be declared as follows. See a type asterisk variable name. Already we learned in C language. Pointer, how to define a pointer. Already we learned in C language. Clear? Here type asterisk variable name. A pointer variable can be declared as follows. Where type is a data type, where type is a data type, pointed to the pointer variable name is called pointer variable name. Here asterisk and ampersand, these two operators playing major roles in C language and also C++. Asterisk operator and ampersand operator playing major roles in C++ and also C language. Here asterisk operator that represents, that is a pointer variable. Here ampersand operator that represents, that is an address variable. Clear? Here reference variables, pointer. Here pointer variable can be declared as follows. Then this is the type asterisk variable name, where type is the data pointer, where type is the data pointer. Clear? Then the next one is type is the data pointer, data pointed to by the pointer, and the variable name is pointer variable name. Here variable name, pointer variable name. For example, integer asterisk x. So this x is a pointer variable. Then int is a type. What type? Integer type. Then float asterisk f. F is a variable. The data type is float. Here asterisk c. Here c is a character pointer variable. The type is character type. Clear? Then these are the examples of pointer declaration. Integer asterisk x. Here float asterisk f and character asterisk c. How to define an object? Pointer object. How to define? How to declare a pointer object? So assume all of you. So how to define a pointer object? Here type. Then what type? Here class type. Create an object. Before creating an object, simply prefix with the asterisk symbol. Here class name, asterisk object name. That is pointer object. Clear? So then here type asterisk variable name. Here integer asterisk x, float asterisk f, and float character asterisk c, and class name asterisk object name. That is pointer object. Clear? All of you? Then the next one, this is an example program for pointer declaration. This is an example program for pointer declaration. So in this, okay, we know how to define a pointer variable. In the first statement, integer asterisk x, x is an integer pointer, and informs the compiler that it holds the address of any integer variable only. What is our definition? What is our definition? A pointer variable is a memory variable that holds the address of the another variable. Clear? So in the first example, integer asterisk x. In the first statement, all of you, In the first statement, integer asterisk x, x is an integer pointer and informs the compiler that it holds the address of any integer variable. Only it can hold, it can store the address of only integer variable. Clear? Then float asterisk f. So this is also, it can hold the any float variable address. Here character C, C is also a character variable. It holds the address of any character variable. Remember, all of you. Then normal variables provide direct access to their own variables. Clear? For example, integer x equal to 10. That is normal variable that holds the direct access of their own variables. Clear? Whereas pointer indirectly access the value of a variable to which it points. Indirectly access the value of its pointers. Clear? The indirection operator, this is asterisk, is an indirection operator. Why it is called indirection operator? Here asterisk x means it holds the address of the another integer variable. Clear? Here asterisk x means it shows the content in the address location. So which address location? Another variable address location. Simply it collect a value from the another variable. That's why here asterisk is an indirection operator. Clear? Asterisk is an indirection operator, is used in two distinct ways with pointers. Clear? Two distinct ways with pointers. Declaration and difference. Declaration and difference. When a pointer is declared, the star indicates that it is pointer. When a pointer is declared, then asterisk that indicates a pointer. Then it is a pointer variable. Clear, all of you? Pointer variable, not a normal variable. Clear? X is not a normal variable. F is not a normal variable. Then C is not a normal variable. Why? So when a pointer is declared, the indirection operator indicates. Which is the indirection operator here? Then asterisk is an indirection operator that indicates where x is a pointer variable. It is not an ordinary variable. Where asterisk f is also a pointer variable, it is not an ordinary variable. Asterisk c is a pointer variable, it is not an ordinary variable. Clear? When a pointer is dereferenced, the indirection operator indicates that the value at the memory location stored in the pointer. Simply asterisk x, it represents or it indicates the value in the memory address location. Clear? Simply that collect a value from the another variable. The another variable should be an ordinary variable. Clear? The next one, then there are two operators. I said two operators playing major roles in C++ and C language. Clear? Ampersand and operator. Ampersand operator is the address operator and it represents the address of a variable. The address of a variable is always a whole number. Clear? Always a whole number. So then this is an example program for pointer declarations. Clear? This is an example program, pointer declarations. Here simply asterisk p. So hash include iostream.h, hash include iostream.h. Then the integer main function, integer asterisk p, where p is a pointer variable, x equal to 50, x is an ordinary variable. Clear? X is an ordinary variable. Where p equal to ampersand x, where x is an ordinary variable address assign into pointer variable. Ordinary variable address assign into pointer variable. Clear? Then say out value of x equal to 50. then the cout value of x equal to, then asterisk p 50, then address of x equal to ampersand. So x, that is address of x, then address of x equal to p. So come here. So see all of you. So then there is a small diagram is there. Then this is x, then this is pointer ptr. Okay, then x equal to 50, x value assigned into 50. Then this is 1001 equal to address of x. Okay, 1001 equal to address of x. Clear? Integer asterisk p. For example, here ptr equal to pointer variable. Pointer variable address equal to 2047. It is not correct address, but we can assume only. We assuming only. Clear? 2047 is the address of ptr variable. Then x equal to 50, integer variable x equal to 50. This is the name of the variable memory location. X is the name of this memory location. Then value 50 assigned into x memory location. 1001 equal to address of x. Clear? Then where p equal to ampersand x. P equal to ampersand x. This is an address operator. This is called AND operator. In the C++ and C language, this is called an address operator. So this is used to assign the address of x. What is an address of x? 1001 is an address of x that is assigned into p memory location. Clear? That is assigned into p memory location. What is the value of p? That is an address of x. What is the value of p? That is an address of x. Clear? Address of x. Here 50. Yes, 50 is the value of x. 1001 is the address of x. Then ptr value equal to address of x. Then the next ptr address equal to 2047. Clear all of you? Then here you see out value of x equal to 50 displayed here. Address of x equal to ampersand unsigned. So we should unsigned. Okay. So we want to display an address of the variable. We should use this symbol unsigned keyword. Clear? Ampersand unsigned x. All of you, ampersand unsigned x. Then x address equal to 1001. Again, x equal to asterisk p. Display asterisk p. Here asterisk ptr. Okay. Here asterisk ptr value. So simply collect the value from this address location, not for 1001. Clear? Asterisk ptr. Simply collect the value from this address location. Which address location? 1001. 1001 address location value is 50. Simply display 50 value here. Clear all of you? Here asterisk ptr. Asterisk ptr means it can collect the value in the address location. Which address location? 1001 address location. So that's why here asterisk pointer is an indirection operator. That's why pointer is called indirection operator. Clear all of you? That's why pointer is called indirection operator. Why? It can pick the value from another variable. It can pick the value from another variable. That's why that is called an indirection operator. Clear? So value of x equal to asterisk p, then address of x equal to p value. Then this is the value of p. Clear? 1001 and 1001. Clear all of you? So then this is the example program for pointer declaration. Then what are the features of pointers? Pointer saves memory space. This is a major advantage. We are using pointers. Saving of memory. Saving of memory. Clear? We're using pointers. We will save the memory. Clear? First advantage. Second one, execution time with pointers is faster. While using pointers, we can increase the execution time. Clear? It will take very less time to execute a task because data is manipulated with address. Clear? That's why it can increase the time complexity. Then second point, execution time with pointers is faster because data is manipulated with address. Memory is accessed efficiently with pointers. The pointers assign as well as releases the memory space. While using pointers, we know there are memory allocation functions in C language. Already we learned the most important question. So define dynamic memory allocation. What are the memory allocation functions in C language? Explain each and every one. We know what are the types of memory allocation functions? DMA functions. malloc, calloc, realloc, and free function. malloc, calloc, realloc, and free function. malloc and calloc, these two are the memory allocation functions. Reallocation function, already allocated variable, we want to increase the size of the variable using reallocation functions. And free function is used to release the memory. Clear? All of you. Release the memory means erase the space. Erase the, delete the variable. Clear? Free function, free. malloc, memory allocation. calloc, okay. Then blocks allocation. Then the next one is reallocation. Those are the memory allocation functions. Clear? Memory is accessed efficiently with pointers. The pointers assign as well as releases the memory space. Pointers are used with data structures. They are useful for representing two-dimensional and multi-dimensional arrays. Okay, then alternative data structures programs you are doing. Okay, so like linked list pointers, single linked list, double linked list, okay, circular linked list, okay, then the next one is linked stack, linked queue, etc. You are using, you are developing in laboratory experiments. Clear? Using pointers. Pointers are used for file handling. Okay, in the C language, file asterisk fp, where fp is a file pointer. Clear? Then they are also using file handling. Then pointers are used to allocate memory in dynamic manner, dynamic memory allocations. In C++, a pointer declared to a derived class cannot access the object of a derived class. Clear? In C++, remember this point. A pointer declared to a derived class cannot access the object of a derived class. That is the most important. Then the next one is, so next one is pointer to class. Remember, question, how to form a question. Tomorrow I will give you material. Okay, all prepared, then I will send you. So today, okay. Then how to create pointer to class. Then explain about class pointers. Clear? So two questions, same answer. How to create pointer to class? Explain about class pointers. How to create pointer to class, or explain about class pointers. Clear, all of you? Then we know that pointer is a variable that holds the address of another variable. Clear? Already we learned, already I gave example. Okay, pointer is a variable that holds the address of another variable. In the same way, we can also define pointer to class. We can also define pointer to class. Here, the starting address of the member variables can be accessed. The starting address of the member variables can be accessed. Thus, such variables are called class pointers. Thus, such variables are called class pointers. Clear? The starting address of the member variables can be accessed. Thus, such variables are called class pointers. Come here. In this example, this is class man, name and age. These two are the members of this class. In publicly, I defined in public visibility. In this main function, man equal to Tarkes 42. These two variables, the values assigned into m dot name equal to Tarakesh, m dot age equal to 42. Clear? Then man asterisk PTR. What is a PTR? It is a pointer object. Clear? Here M is a object. M is an object of man class. Here PTR is also an object of man class. M is an object of the man class. Here PTR is an object of the man class. But where PTR is a pointer variable, how? Here prefixed with the asterisk symbol. Clear? Prefixed with the asterisk symbol. That's why that indicates this is an indirection operator. So this is a pointer variable. PTR is a pointer object. Clear? How to create pointer to a class? All of you? Then the next one is PTR equal to pointer variable equal to ampersand M. Where M is a pointer variable, where M is an object that holds the address assigned into PTR. So here definition, here PTR is an object. Clear? Pointer object is also a memory object. Clear? Pointer object is a memory object. It holds the address of the another object. Pointer variable is a variable that holds the address of the another variable. Clear? Here also pointer object is also a memory object that holds the address of the another object. Clear? Another variable, here another object. Remember these 2 points. Pointer is a variable that holds the address of the another variable. Here pointer object is also an object. It holds the address of another object. Clear? That's enough. Pointer to class. Clear all of you? Pointer to class. That is enough. So this is an example program for pointer to class. Okay? Pointer to class. This is an example. So how to create a pointer object, pointer class. Clear all of you? Next one is pointer to object. Pointer to object. Same previous example. Here this is the bill class. Quantity, price, amount. These are the members. So I defined in privately. I didn't mention private, which is the default visibility in C++. Private is the default visibility. Clear? Then here pub void get data. This is the get data method. This is the get data method. Simply assign values in these variables. Here show function is used to display quantity, price, and amount. Okay. Then this is the main function. So bill B, similar way to define in. Okay. So then the bill function, bill is a class name where B is an object of the bill. This is an ordinary object. Then bill asterisk BPTR. This is a pointer object equal to ampersand B. B address assigned into BPTR. Similar way, previous way. Then BPTR to get data. Here BPTR to get data. All of you. BPTR to get data. Simply BPTR dot get data. Like here using pointer variables. Simply arrow. We should use arrow while using pointers. So we want to get call this function here using BPTR to get data of 5, 10. At the calling time, we are sending these 2 arguments. Those are called actual arguments. It can call this function integer A equal to 5 and float B equal to 20. Then quantity equal to A and price equal to B, amount equal to A into B. That's enough. Clear? Then the next one, another way to call the methods within brackets, parentheses, asterisk BPTR dot show. So this is the another way to, then here 2 ways to call the member functions. BPTR arrow mark get data or within parentheses BPTR to show. Clear? Pointer to an object. Clear? Same the previous example and present example. Then there is no difference. Clear? Then the next one, this pointer, already we discussed in the previous unit. This pointer, friend functions. Clear? Remember all of you. This pointer is a pointer. It shows the current object. Clear? Already we learned in Previous example. Every object in C++ has access to its own address. Clear? Through an unseen pointer called this pointer, unseen. For example, I didn't mention this return this. I didn't mention the variable. Which is the current object? It can return. Clear? That is unseen. Okay. I didn't mention the object, but return this. Return this. That is unseen. Simply it returns the current object or current variable. Clear? Variable value. Next one, this pointer. Clear? This pointer is an implicit parameter to all member functions. Okay, it is an implicit parameter to all member functions. Remember, this is online bit, then this bit. This pointer is an implicit parameter to all member functions. So this pointer is an dash parameter to all member functions. Implicit parameters, remember. Okay, so quiz bit. Therefore, inside a member function, this may be used to refer to invoking object. Clear? Friend functions do not have this pointer. This is also another slip test. I mean, slip test means quiz question. Friend function do not have a dash pointer, this pointer. Clear? Friend function do not have a dash pointer, this pointer. Because friends are not members of a class. Friends are not members of a class. That's why this pointer will not allow in friend functions. Clear? Only member functions have a this pointer. Only member functions have a this pointer. Clear? So let us understand this pointer with the following example. This is an example, all of you. So input function, then show function, then this is the number minimum function. Here simply comparison functions. Then main function. Okay, all of you, main function, here member, n1, n2, then the next one here, so returns. So come here. Here, so simply number n, n1, n2. These three are the objects. Here n1 dot input, it can call the input function, enter a number. Simply I gave 3. n2 dot input, it can call the same member function input, enter a number. That is called, that is I gave 5. Then where n equal to n1 min of n2, n1 dot min of n2. You're calling n1 dot n equal to this n object equal to n1 object dot min of n2. You're passing n2 value. What is n2 value? 5. Clear? Here n2 dot x, 5 is less than x, x value is 3. 5 is less than x, is it true or false? 5 is less than x? No. Then return this pointer. Return this pointer. Clearly? Then the minimum number is 3. Minimum number is 3. Simply n dot show function display the minimum number, that is x number, that is 3. That is enough. So I returned star this, but I didn't mention variable name or object name. Clear? I return only this pointer. Simply it returns the current pointer, object or variable. Clear? Object value or variable value. Clear? Asterisk this is a pointer. Clear? This pointer. So this returns the current value or variable value or object value. This shows the current variable or current object. So that's why this is called implicitly working. Clear, all of you? This pointer. Next one is pointer to derived classes. All of you, how to define pointer variables in derived classes. How to define pointer variables in derived classes. Okay, we know it is also possible to declare a pointer that points to the base class as well as the derived class. Clear? Already we learned in previous examples how to define a base class pointers. So simply it is also possible to declare a pointer that points to the base class as well as derived class. Clear? So one pointer can point to the different classes. One pointer point to the different classes. For example, X is a base class. X is a base class. Y is a derived class. The pointer pointing to X can also pointing to Y. Clear? Then your base and derived classes. A pointer variable pointing to base and derived class. Clear, all of you? So in this example, all of you. So here class A is a base class. Then integer B is the base class member. Then this is the base class member function. Then class B. So this is the derived class. So this class deriving the data from the A in publicly. This is the member of B class. This is the member function of B class. So then class close. Main function where A is a class name, base class name, asterisk BP is the base class object. Then base is also general object of the base class. Here BP equal to ampersand base, it will accept. But BP to B equal to 100, it will not accept. Clear? Then the next one is Cout BP points to the base class object, then BP to show. Here simply the show function will execute. The base class pointer function will execute. Then where B is a derived class object, B, small b, capital B is the name of the derived class. Then small b is an object of the derived class. Here Cout BP points to the derived class where BP equal to ampersand B. What is BP? BP is the base class object. P is a, what is P? What is small b? Where B is an object of the derived class. Then a derived class address assigned into base class memory location. Derived class address assigned into base class memory location. Then display. Then simply BP to B equal to 200. 200 value assigned into B base class address location. Then BP to show, this function executes, then display B value and return 0. Clear? Here simply, so in pointer to derived classes, it is also possible to declare a pointer that points to the base class as well as the derived class. Clear? Here pointer variable creating a base class as well as a derived class. Clear? Derived class. Okay. Then the next one. So derived class. One pointer can point to different classes. One pointer can point to different classes. Here asterisk BP is a pointer variable. It can point different classes. Here base class. Clear? Then the derived class. It can pointing to base class and derived class. Clear, all of you? The next one. So this is the today's class, all of you. So remember, all of you. Then this is the syllabus. Define a pointer, remembering all of you. Then pointer declaration, example of this pointer. Then these are the features of pointers. Then pointer to class, then pointer to object, and this pointer. Then the next one is pointer to derived classes and base class. Clear? Pointer to derived class and base class. Clear, all of you? So this is the pointer first topic, all of you. Then pointer first topic. Second topic is binding polymorphism. Tomorrow we will discuss polymorphism, the most important polymorphism. What is polymorphism? What are the types of polymorphisms? Explain each one. Tomorrow we will discuss polymorphism. Don't take bunk, all of you. You should come and listen, all of you, tomorrow class. Okay? Most important topic. So thank you.